Welcome to West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hopefully, you will find our resources helpful and informative, and stop by often to find answers to your bookkeeping questions. If you have a customized Excel worksheet design that you would like implemented, we can help you with that. Just have a look at what we've done for one of our clients here with several variables and formulas involved to produce the results that they were looking for. Have a look, and if you feel that we can be of service to you, contact us or visit our website at westcoastbusiness.ca. Thank you. Every client is looking for something unique for their business circumstances, so this particular spreadsheet is one that was designed to analyze profits based on projects and labor costs and labor markup. So the first screen here is the project file maintenance, and we have set up the projects, and here I've just entered a new one called test. So over here, this is just for information purposes, and it is basically the project lists that is sorted for your data entry and reports. Then you would go into the employee master file maintenance, and I've set up some sample employees with hourly rates, and basically we want a burden percent for each employee. They may vary or they may be the same, but that burden percent includes costs for the company for WCB, EI markup, CPP, employer's portion, and vacation pay, etc. So you can enter one rate for all the employees or separate rates depending on their circumstances. Then the charge rate maintenance. So this spreadsheet has been set up for 50 employees and 50 projects. So obviously there's a lot of numbers involved and a lot of maintenance. So you would enter the charge rate for each employee for each job. And at the end of the day, this is going to make your life easier since there's so many numbers involved. There's another screen for pay period maintenance. This particular client wanted pay periods for the year so that they could save them as separate reports and have that show in the summary and detailed reports. So this would be obviously maintained on an annual basis to outline the pay periods for the year. Then for each pay period, you would go in and enter the hours for each employee for each project. And your pay period ending date is a drop box here, so you can select based on the pay periods that were set up in the prior screen. Then for summary reports, we click on the summary reports. So we have a summary report by project. So each project shows the total hours sold, the loaded rate, the charged rate, and the profit. So at the end of this report is a gross profit for all jobs, or you can look at the profit by each job. The other summary report is the summary by employee. So each employee, it'll summarize the hours sold, the hourly rate, the loaded rate, and the profit on each employee with a total at the bottom. Then we also have set up a detailed report. So the detailed report will show each project. So each project is going to show each employee and the profit for that employee and the grand total at the bottom for every project. It's quite a lengthy report, but you could select ranges and print based on each report. So there's quite a bit involved in this one. So this sort of gives you an idea of the possibilities that are available and what we can do with customized worksheets. If you have some sort of custom design that you would like that is unique to your situation, just contact us and we'll see what we can do. And hopefully this gives you an idea of what's possible. Thank you for visiting West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you have any bookkeeping questions that you would like answers for, feel free to leave a question in the comments section and we would be happy to help you out. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Have a great day.